Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm just going to do a little flip through of this homage to Tim Holtz. It's a little flip out, and this is the front. These are photo booth people, a ticket. You can see what's there, stamps, plenty of stamps, and a little bit of a Union Jack. And it's held together by these, the two tickets that are folded in half and put an eyelet in, and the string just threads through them. So that's the front. It opens up. This is a little tuck spot in there with a tiny little tag on it that says figure 1. So that opens up like that. Oh, look, another part of a Union Jack. It's just a little side tuck there really with a big ticket, and it's stapled via airmail. So that just goes into there. On here we've got a side tag, side tuck should I say, butterfly, etc. A little tag in there, piece of ephemera. Here we've got a lady from the photo booth, I think it is, with tickets and things behind her just to make it really interesting. And in case there's any doubt about it, this is number 785. Doesn't mean anything, I just put it there. And then these open up and they've got interesting bits on there and pockets and tickets, what have you. And then some acetate, and there's a picture of this little fella who's just gorgeous. Look at him with his dog. And I thought it was funny that he was agent 1929, because he doesn't look like an agent, does he? He looks like a little boy, but apparently he's an agent. So there we are. They go like that and flip in, and it ties up, and there you have it. So thanks for joining me. See you soon.